Hi everyone, welcome to another interview of our interview series with successful business analyst practitioners. Today I will be interacting with Manju and will be listening to her business analysis journey. My name is Nitin and I will be the host for this particular interview. Hi Manju, how are you?
Yeah, I'm feeling fine. And due to our previous interaction, I'm more comfortable.
Great, great, great. So Manju, if you can tell our viewers about your background prior to becoming a business analyst, that would be great.
I started my career as an SAP techno-functional consultant in BW, SAP BW.
Mhm.
My primary task was as reporting from various domains. SAP BW mainly. What we are doing in is business intelligence. We are using for business intelligence reporting purpose. So I worked with. I started as a techno-functional consultant and continued for almost 1 year in India, and then due to marriage, I relocated to Singapore. And after a few months of job hunt, I got the same opening, same kind of role, and I worked with Singapore Computer Systems in Ministry of Defense project, which is a coordination of different modules. Means F5 different departments projects. We are newly implementing the whole project for the different departments in Ministry of Defense. So it will be from FI, supplier relationship management, SD, and all combined reporting we are doing from SAP BW. And in that role, my primary task was assisting my business analyst for report means business intelligence reporting. Means we are doing all the extractions from database and the programming some ABAP programming for the extraction, and these are the duties which I handled in my as techno functional consultant. And those time I watched how the BAs are performing their daily task, which project phases they are involving, and also try to acquire some domain knowledge in FI, HR, and SRM. Those are the modules which I handle. But different team is handling different means people are handling different modules. But the responsibility for me is to reporting from SRM, FI, and HR. Currently, I am working as a
Great, great.
business analyst QA in supply chain finance, banking.
Okay. That's a lot of experience, Manju. I mean, it was great listening to your experience, how you transition from one domain to the other, and now from testing, you're working as a business analyst. So thank you for sharing your beautiful journey. How did you decide that this is something which I want to do? This is something which I want to pursue. In future. So how did you come to that conclusion that this is the thing which attracts me the most?
Yeah. While moving to Singapore itself, I was watching how business analysts doing their daily task. I was always attracted towards it because they have more responsibilities, and they are involving with all the team, means all the team. And if I am try to concentrate only on the testing, means QA,
Yeah,
I don't need to interact more with others, means with other team, just development team or to BA or something like that. But as a BA, we are dealing with different stakeholders, different teams. So this really attracted me because they know whole the process. But QA don't means QA will not involve in all the requirement gathering and stakeholder. And
yeah.
if a QA is working in UAT team, we will get more chance. Otherwise, if it is
Mm.
in an SAT team, we will not get that much chance. So I thought it's a responsible job, and why I have this much of years of experience as a 6 years
Yeah.
experience as a QA professional, and 3 years also portion of my task is almost same like BA. Means a junior BA kind of role I handle before switching to testing. So that my husband also suggested, why don't you take a job as a business analyst? That motivated me, and I
Mm-hmm.
searched in the whole in almost 1.5 months. I searched for a good institute, and I searched in IIBA site and also, and compared to all other institute, the syllabus and the way of teaching, I mean the way of organized how they organize the training attracted me
Yeah.
towards the tech canvas.
Great, great. Um, and did you face any challenges in this journey? If you want to share your challenges with our viewers, and how did you
The
uh, tackle? Yeah, sorry, go
The
ahead.
most challenge I faced is managing my time because I'm working and I have to
Mhm.
attend the classes, and attending classes is not challenge because it will happen in Saturdays and Sundays. But studying, go through that what my mentor has taught me is was the greatest challenge. I couldn't complete correctly at those times because of my current responsibilities in my
Yeah.
current role. And the other challenge was finding out a good institute was the biggest challenge,
Mm.
and a good mentor.
Yeah.
Almost
But I
2 3 months I searched in the website, in the Googled for a good institute, and finally I found a very good institute.
I mean, I was about to say, but you're doing really great. You overcame all those challenges, and you did really well. So hats off to that. Any advice which you want to share with our viewers that would be really helpful?
Yeah, okay, I will share some of my experience. And even though I studied the course, I have not yet certified. But I was in search of changing my current BA
Yeah.
QA role to business analyst. So I tried to focus more on interviews. Means what kind of questions they will ask, and what kind of how we have to prepare. I went through all Abhishek Sir's videos in YouTube. That really first two interviews was one interview was successful, but that time they told I don't have that much experience as a business analyst. They
Mhm.
sent an email to the consultancy. My performance was good, but for that role they require 7 years experience.
Okay.
So due to that it is rejected, and then second interview was not successful, and the third interview I went through all the series of interviews Abhisheks are done with other means some of the business analysts. So
Yeah.
that really helped me to overcome the challenges a candidate face in interview. And
Yeah.
the one advice I have to give to as future aspirants, if they don't have any technical means any experience like that BA, if they have domain knowledge in some of the areas, means banking or some other domain knowledge,
Yeah.
means insurance or etc., that will really help them to get a job if they will study it. They will understand the and study the
Yeah.
and understand the business analysis concept. And once they clear the initial certification, means CCBS certification, that will really help them to get a job as a junior business analyst. And if they don't
Mhm.
have a domain knowledge or technical skills, they can put their course, means what they did in their course, and some of the and the sample projects what they handle in the course that they can
Yeah.
put, and then they can certify the CBA, and those also will help to get a job as an junior level kind. And
Okay.
the experienced one, I don't need to comment on those. What advice I can give is, be stick to your goal, then understand the concept, and learn and understand the business analysis concept and knowledge areas, and then take note on each concept, and then go through the note. You can do some mind mapping or some way of some picture way of representing that whole areas one by one.
Yeah.
Then it will really help them to understand the concept, and then
Mm.
try to get certified slowly, and stick to your goal and plan your goal 1 month or 2 months, then get certified. And before sending your resume to some job, go through the requirement thoroughly, and prepare the resume almost same like that. Means same kind of JDs what they describe.
Yeah.
At least prepare some 3 4 points, even though you are not aware of the remaining, and then you put your course, what you did in that course you can explain, and your soft skills also will important, so that also you can specify in your resume. And
Okay.
then face the interview confidently, and go through the series, tech canvas Abhishek sir provided. That will really help you to land a good job, in landing a good job, in getting a good job.
Thank you, Manju. Thank you for sharing those wonderful suggestions and tips for our viewers, and thank you for sharing your entire journey of business analysis. It was great talking to you, and
Okay.
all the best for your career. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Thanks a lot for
Thank
my sir, my mentor, Harsh sir, Abhishek sir, and Maunika was very helpful in the entire course and entire journey, and for you also
thank you.
giving
Thank
this
you.
opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank
Take
you.
care.